So hey, hello guys, welcome back to my coding also. So in the today's video, I will tell you that how to make shopping website in the MIT App Inventor. First, you have to open the MIT App Inventor and choose the account. So I will choosing my account. So we have to start new project button click and and this will come. Then you have to click on the do not show again. Continue. What is your but we are project name. So uh, shopping website. So now this is right, but here is some problem. Now this is right. So now our app will ready now, and we have to code and design the app. So first we have to take a horizontal arrangement and its height and its width was fill parallel. And then we have to go to user interface and drag and drop the three buttons just like I'm doing, and all the size of the button are same like 17, 16, 14. So I will take the 16 size in all the buttons. And later, and then we have to open the three tabs for websites like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra. First is Amazon, and then Myntra, and then it is Flipkart. The Flipkart known as a local a local website. So we have to edit the name from the buttons. This this will this will open, and then Myntra. This is Myntra's website, and this was Flipkart website. So we have to edit the name of these buttons. First is Amazon, Amazon. Second is Myntra, and then it is uh, Flipkart, our local website. So we have done all the buttons name. So now we have to take the width till parent for correct means for correct size, and then choose the color of your background color of your button. Like I have chosen the blue button, and then background and text color. So I will take the text color to yellow, and Myntra, all will same, all color will same. In my, I think that all color will same in my brain. Mm, this was this was also blue, and all the text color was also blue, not blue, yellow. So and then font bold and our design is was ready, is ready. And then we have to go to sensor, not sensor, user interface and drag and drop the web viewer. Web viewer, oh yes. So we have to go to the blocks and we have three buttons. So we have to rename the buttons. But first button name is Amazon. So Amazon button three was Flipkart and button second was Myntra. Mm, so this is right. And we go to the blocks and choose the blocks. First we have to code for Amazon button. So we have to go to the web viewer. Web viewer and go to URL and we have to copy the Amazon's URL. This is Amazon's URL which I am copying and we have to go to the text block and drag and drop the text button and paste the Amazon URL and we have to do same with all two buttons because we have done almost one button. Second button is Flipkart and then is Myntra. So this is Amazon. Not again. It is not perfect. So then it is Myntra. So in Myntra button we have to type paste the Myntra's URL and in the Flipkart we have to choose the Flipkart URL. So this is how now this is right and our app was done. So testing your app, you have to download MIT AI2 companion in your phone to test the app that it was running out or not. So app name was in the description. You will check in the description. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.